Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiata Studio. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of my new art studio. Right here is my art gallery space. It's large, open. It has large windows as well. I'm about to show you my first office. Follow me. This is office number 1. It also features a window outside and 2 windows inside. I like these large windows inside because it helps to pass light through. I can also keep an eye on this other office right here. If my children are visiting the office for the day with me, I can have them in here doing homework or reading a book while I'm in here handling business. Before we get to the next office, there is this large gold painted area. I believe my real estate agent said that this is considered a cove. I am considering painting this a different color. Now, for my second office. This is also a nice sized office. As I said before, I can see into the other office from this inside window. Alright, just one last area I would like to show you in my new art studio. Across from the second office is this built-in table, this ledge right here, and this really nice towel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.